Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Taurus. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So I will leave this card here and one card for your love guidance and one card from the fortune cookie. So we will see what is this card right at last, guys. So what is your lucky thing to do, or what will be your lucky message today, guys, Taurus? So let's start with these cards, guys. We have Nine of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles in reverse, and Three of Pentacles, Taurus. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are really happy for the way things are going, guys. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment, and you have good people with you, people whom you trust and who trust you, and there is a lot of mutual understanding and reliability here. And you are working as a team, maybe in your work situation, or it may be your energy in your personal life. You have good people, good family members, and friends with you who are here to help you, support you, and guide you in every possible way. And maybe for some of you in this relationship, though you are having that contentment, satisfaction, and you are a very responsible, reliable person, maybe you may get some message or an important information. It may be an email from this person. So something is coming up, something important is reaching you today, guys. Maybe it may be an important communication in your relationship. Maybe this person is sending you something. For most of you, I see it is something good, but for some of you, it may be something bad, Taurus. So, we picked one card for your relationship, and it is Two of Cups in reverse. So, maybe this message may be something based on the commitment this person wants with you, or maybe they are thinking of marriage or engagement, maybe, guys. But this relationship does not come so easily. There are a lot of things you need to do. Maybe there may be some difficulties you will face in this connection. You need to put in a lot, maybe make a lot of effort, and both efforts are needed from both of you in this relationship, guys. Maybe if you want a deep, meaningful connection, both of you must have that understanding. Both of you must make the efforts today, because when we have positive intentions, when we want something in this connection, maybe even this person must want that. Only then it will take place or it will happen, guys. So, you need a lot of understanding and work in this relationship. But with these cards, I see that it is going towards engagement or marriage. But relationship is a constant work, Taurus. You need to make efforts if you want it to be positive today, Taurus. So, for your career circumstance, we picked one card. So, let's see what it is. It's Knight of Swords. So, in your work situation, looks like you are ready for action, jumping into what to say, you are determined, strong willed, and you are moving towards your dreams and goals. Maybe you may see people opposing you or resisting you, competing with you, maybe, but whatever it is, you are someone really having that determined attitude, and that is what is going to make you really successful today, guys. Your determination, your willpower and strength, Taurus. So for your moon energies, Taurus, we have this card. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. So for y'all guys, we have a Taurus card today. So maybe you may have huge dreams and you are moving towards that, trying to, what to say, dream about what will come in your future. But you need to use, what to say, be really practical. Maybe if you have huge dreams and goals, wishing for the best is something good. Hoping for the best in your future is something good. But you need to make that practical plan, practical steps to achieve those dreams. And if you are asking for money, asking about money, there is a good positive change for your financial fortunes coming up, guys, based on your past actions. So whatever you have worked for, you are going to reach that today, guys, Taurus. And today you need to chase your dreams and give up all envy and jealousy you have with people around you, so that negativity is not going to help you in any way today, guys, Taurus. So maybe you are chasing your dream and that is going to land you in success. It just means that having positive intentions for ourselves today. So let's see what is your love guidance. We have cooperation. So this card just means that in our relationship today, guys, we need to work together as a team, or maybe in our life in general. When we honor the people who are with us, honor their ideas and opinions, we just broaden our perspective. So someone else's viewpoint is the most valuable teacher for us, and it gives us so much experience, and we learn so much from that even without us experiencing that circumstance. So honoring that other person builds on friendship and social skills, and maybe the possibility to love and be loved. And based on their life experiences, we can learn something and we can try to avoid making that same mistake in our life. But refusing this wisdom and knowledge is going to just land ourselves in a maze of wrong turns. Maybe, guys. So you should never be afraid to ask advice. So with this person you love, or with the people close to you, we are here to help each other. So two heads are better than one. So you need to, what to say, be really open minded, have that to have that clarity, you need to welcome opinions and suggestions from people close to you today, guys, Taurus. So, for your fortune cookie today, Taurus, let's see what it is. Your lucky card. What's your lucky guidance? Achievement. Enjoy the limelight, you have earned it. Although on the family friend, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. So, in your work situation, you are going to see success, guys. But maybe there may be some worries, maybe someone may be sick, maybe it will be something small, not much to be worried about. So that is your fortune cookie for today, Taurus. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. Thank you for watching, Taurus. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.